we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days.
See, there's the car. Clever fit, baby. All right, today we'll take the stairs. No excuses. It's leg day today. It's freaking.
Under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be. Under your spotlight.
Guys, so that was my leg workout. I basically did 3 leg exercises, and the first one, the squat press, was, I think I did 7 sets, so 2 warm-up sets and 5 proper full-out ones. So I'm gonna feel that probably tomorrow. And as you can see, it's not the nicest weather here in Germany, but I've got the drone in the car. I'd love to do this whole thing where I try out the drone following the car, and I hope we'll get some time to do that, because Nikki didn't drive the car yet, so she's going to be driving the car and I'm going to be inside sitting with the remote control flying the drone, so that's going to be something interesting. Don't know how that's going to work out, but yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. And here's the magic key opening the door. Oh, that was on the other side.
Under your spotlight.
Alrighty, so it's later in the day. I have no idea how late it is. The sun is still out, and I got my drone with me. You've seen already one shot where I circle around the car. It was just like a demo shot. The problem is we didn't really find a spot. Ooh, that was too bright for the cam. We didn't really find a spot for the car to be followed and stuff. That's just in my imagination that would be awesome if that could work. So I know, I just need to see if I can do this somehow by myself, which is probably not gonna really happen. But yeah, just gonna open the door on the car, which works with the key. There you go. And then we'll set up the drone. By the way, we're going to try something else first, and that is we're going to try to fly the drone with just the phone. because I think that works as well. So let me get that set up somehow. Alright guys, so I got the Mavic Air just set up here, which is at the front over there. You can probably see it there on the floor somewhere. I don't know, I'm gonna try to put the thing over there. And then we need to tap precise location, takeoff. Guys, it's freaking working. Alright guys, so I got the active track on here. The drone is, I don't know, can you see it? Somewhere. And now, as I walk, you can see that the drone is actually following me. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can see it now, there it comes. I'm also sort of filming at the same time, so you got the double shot going on. And let's see if we run. Shit, this is cool. And now it should be the other way around, so if I now walk forward, the thing flies away from me. So you can basically see me flying. But there's also something where I can say tune up the priority of speed. So now it should be going away faster. Shit. Ideally, this whole thing would now start to basically follow me around. And it actually does. So it also flies curves, as you can see. So it doesn't really matter. Now the interesting bit is, let's see if it would fly into a tree actually. So let's see, we need to do it this way. Alright, so now with this camera you can see that there's a tree and I'm going to be walking towards it, so it's flying backwards. Let's see what happens here. It senses something at the back. And what happens now? It doesn't fly back. Do you see that? So I'm walking and it wants to track me, keeps tracking me, but it doesn't fly back. Now if I walk forward and I have to press go again, and now it's tracking me again. My god, this thing is so freaking cool. So it actually has sensors at the back, which means, I mean, at the moment we're just tracking it with the phone, right? We can also do something other, which is also really funny. I know this might be a really weird video, but just bear with me. It says low battery warning, but we can also move it to the side slightly. Ooh, 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 ooh. Whoa! That nearly crashed into this thing because, whatever, it says low battery warning. We have to abort guys! Right. So, I can do this thing of land. No. We want to return to home. Sorry. I was just going to put this on the floor, then you can actually see what I'm doing here. So, you want to say land. And now it flies back to where we started, right over there. And this does it all automatically, I'm not doing anything. And now it basically says return to home. I don't know what it's doing. Oh yeah, it's turning around because that's how we started. And then you can see how this whole thing does everything automatically. I'm not really doing anything. It says obstacle avoidance is switched off. And there you go. I love playing games, right? Especially when you just use your iPhone. I mean, this is just freaking awesome because otherwise you have this big tablet thing going on. So you got this. But this way you could actually put it onto your bicycle and just throw this thing up into the air and then it's going to follow you. At one point I'm going to try all this stuff out. But as you guys know, it's a new thing, new toy. And at the moment I'm just flying in Germany because I know this is the area where I can fly without getting in trouble. Yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this stuff. If you like more drone stuff, let me know. You might see some more pictures now after this, because I'm gonna fly a bit higher. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow.